Microsoft says 40% of all VMs in Azure now are running Linux. 40% of all virtual machines in Microsoft's Azure cloud are now running Linux. That stat is courtesy of a tweet on October 31st from the Microsoft Developer UK account. The tweet, hashtagged as #futuredecoded, seemingly is connected to information that Microsoft officials shared at the company's conference in London today. Community Manager Brian Byrne, @BrianLinuxing, retweeted the Microsoft Developer UK tweet, adding only 40%. Come on. It's more than that. Previously, the most recent stat on how many VMs in Azure are running Linux dates back to June 2016, when Microsoft officials said nearly 1 in 3 Azure virtual machines were running Linux. Microsoft launched Azure on October 27, 2008, as then-chief software architect Ray Ozzie recently reminded me on Twitter. When Microsoft first launched Azure, it was purely a platform as a service play. Microsoft added infrastructure as a service support to its cloud platform in 2012 and added Linux support at that time. Microsoft currently supports a variety of Linux flavors on Azure, including CentOS, CoreOS, Debian, Oracle Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, SUSE Linux Enterprise, OpenSUSE and Ubuntu. Yesterday, Microsoft noted that Azure customers creating VMs in their labs can now opt for a Kali Linux image. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Cloud computing, this is how much you'll be spending on it next year. Cloud spending rises again as companies rely on outside providers for apps and security.